Aloha everyone and welcome to Skincare with Hiram. Now if you're here, it's probably because you have a rockin' skincare routine that you love. Every day that you start with your skincare routine, you're like, oh yeah, I'm taking care of my skin. I'm cool. But wait, your skincare may actually be harming your skin. Oh, that was pathetic. Yes, that is right. Your skincare may actually be bad for your skin, and you have no idea why, or how to tell if it is. That's why I'm here to show you if your skincare is actually terrible for your skin. Let's get into it. If you don't know me, my name is Hiram, and I'm passionate about teaching you how to perfect your skincare routine. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you know right when I upload. Now here are 5 signs to tell if your skincare
is terrible.
Your skincare
is terrible.
Sign number 1, you feel a burning sensation. Now, a lot of times when I've heard people talk about their skincare, they talk about how when they feel that little burn, it means that their skincare is really working. Not true at all. That is terrible for your skin. If you are feeling a burning sensation across your skin, you need to take that shit off right away because it is not good for your skin. That's your body's sign of rejecting whatever you've put on your skin and saying, this is not good for my skin, get it off, get it off. Sign number 2, overly drying. If you find that you're using a product and by midday your skin is completely dry, feels tight, flaky, that is a sign that the product is not good for your skin and you need to find something that's a lot more hydrating. If you are looking for a moisturizer that is hydrating for your skin, be sure to check out my video outlining what you should look for. But the drying of your skin is never good and something you should definitely avoid. Number 3, excessive breakouts. When you're using a product and you find that you are breaking out with acne or pimples consistently, that is your body's way of showing that this is harmful for your skin. Now, for certain products, especially ones that focus on removing the toxins within your skin, you will break out within the first week. But if that breakout does not go away after 1 week, then you need to not use that product anymore because your body is rejecting it. Breakouts are never a good thing, and if you see a significant increase in breakouts, toss that shit away. And number 5, an itchy or tingly feeling across your skin. Now sometimes you'll feel a little bit of a cooling sensation when you put on a certain product like a mask or an exfoliant or something like that, and a lot of times that's the skin's reaction to it and it's not necessarily bad. However, if you are feeling a bit of an itchiness or a tingly sensation that errs on the burning side, you need to make sure that this product is actually safe for your skin. That's why I recommend going in and looking through the ingredient list. If you find high concentrations of things like denatured alcohol, even witch hazel, different parabens, or very irritating ingredients, that's probably why. And in general, if you do feel a tingly or itchiness sensation, you need to take it off right away. Your skin is not meant to feel that way, and when you put on your skincare products, your skin should feel totally fine. Now, these may be 5 common problems, especially if you have sensitive skin. So here's how you can avoid purchasing a product and then having to throw the product away after finding that it is not good for your skin. Number 1, always do a patch test. If you don't know what a patch test is, it means taking a little bit of the product on your finger or an applicator and applying it right here on your face and borderline neck, and then watching it over the next 2 days. If you find that your skin breaks out or turns red or has a burning or itching sensation, then you know that you shouldn't buy that product. This is why instead of buying products online, I always recommend going into store and trying them on your skin beforehand. And patch tests are important because instead of you facing that irritation all over your face and neck, you only have a little spot to judge whether it's safe or not. Number 2, start with gentle formulas. A lot of times it's tempting to go for products that have extra strength or are really powerful, but you should go with products that are more naturally focused, gentle formulas, things that don't have harmful or irritating ingredients in them, because it'll be more gentle on your skin and your skin can acclimatize, adjust to the products that you're putting on your face. Number 3, pay attention to ingredients. Pay attention to ingredients. That is my number 1 tip on my channel. If you are not new, you will understand how much I stress looking at ingredient lists. Now, I know that's not a lot of fun, and I know that 90% of the things that you find on the ingredient list you cannot pronounce, nor do you understand what they mean. But that's what I'm here for. I'm here to help you look for specific ingredients. If you watch a lot of my other videos, I will always recommend very safe ingredients that you should look for on the back of labels. I'm trying to make it as easy for you as possible. My rule of thumb is avoid denatured alcohol. That's my tip for this video. we good. Number 4, start with using the product once a week. Sometimes you may be tempted to try exfoliants or moisturizers or toners every single day, but I'd say if you know you have more sensitive skin or you want to be careful, start with it once a week, then work to twice a week, and then 3 times a week, and then move towards every day, and make sure your skin has time to adjust so that you're not, just throwing on all this crazy stuff and your skin's like, wah! Just to be safe. I have always suggested how to take advantage of your Sephora or Ulta benefits. Videos are in the link below. But you should always make sure you get a sample of a product before you go out and buy it, especially if it's more high-end. High-end products can be a lot of money, and also it's a complete waste of money if the product is just going to make you break out or have a burning sensation on your skin. Always ask one of the Sephora associates for a sample. They'll give you one. You can try it out for a week, and if it's great, you're good to go with buying the product. As always, I have linked my sources in the description box below. I want to thank Reader's Digest for the information that I learned in this video. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. Comment what you think is the best strategy for making sure that something isn't too irritating on your skin, or different experiences that you have had with crazy skincare, because I love some stories. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you can see my videos every single week, and give this video a thumbs up. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.
I